So, good morning, everyone. In the last some classes, we have seen the concepts of making a triangle. So, when will you ask them only? Okay, one second. Write SOCs or according to the marks you have to write. I will ask. If you have to write the SOCs, I will ask in the question, then only you have to write. Only science class should be there as next day is the first paper of science. Okay. But please, laws of exponents, Avneet. Okay. Avneet, okay. Send you till Tuesday. Okay. First, let me discuss this thing first. Okay. 10.4 exercise. First question, construct triangle ABC in which angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 30 degree, and AB is 5.8. First, we will make a rough diagram to understand the situation. Class, please see. First, we will draw a rough diagram A, B, C. So AB is given to us as 5.8 centimeter. Angle A is given to us as 60 degree and angle B is given to us as 30 degree. Please tell me, is these angles possible for you to make using compass? Yes, you can easily make 60-degree angle by compass and 30 also. Why? For 30, you have to bisect which two angles? Plus, please confirm. For 30 degree, you have to bisect 0 and 60 degree. This question is very simple. First, you will make the length AB of 5.8 centimeter. Then you will take your compass. So please confirm that in this chapter only 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 will come. But how many times will I have to say the same thing? In chapter number 10, only 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3 will come. Okay. This I am doing just as an extension of that. Okay. See, for 60 degree, you will make an arc like this. Then you will, without changing the radius, take the first arc to draw an angle of 60 degree. After this, for this angle B, that is 30 degree, you will draw the same thing with the compass, 60, and then you will bisect these two. Okay, Bani. Let's see. So first we will draw the base. The base is how much? AB is 5.8 centimeter. The base is 5.8 centimeter. Once again, suppose 5.5, 6, 7, and 8. This much is your base. A, B. This question was simple. That's why I was explaining over there. But no issue. We can do. Now we can see angle A is how much? 60 degree. So take compass. For 60 degree, we all know we have to keep on A and make a arc like this. And by keeping on this point, we have to take one arc. And we know this arc is giving us the angle 60 degree. So class, we are ready with this much. Now we want to find, please discuss ASI criteria again. 1 second, Lavia. So class, we have got this angle. We know our third point, that is C, lies somewhere on this line. But to find the exact position of that point, we need to draw angle B also. Angle B is how much? Angle B is 30 degree. We have seen angle side angle criteria is very simple. You need to have two angles and the including side. Let me draw from this side. So we want to draw an angle of 30 degree. Class, is this 30 degree? Please tell. What is the measurement of this cut? This is 60 degree. We want to draw an angle of 30 degree. So what will we do is, we will take this angle, that is 0 degree, and we will take this angle 60 degree to draw the 30 degree angle. That means we have to bisect these two. To bisect, let's try this way. So first we will keep on 0° angle and take an arc like this. Then we will keep on 60° and take another arc to cut the previous arc. Yes, this is your 30° angle. Let me join these two. And this is your required triangle. This is your point C. Now you can check the angles. Angle CAB, you can see is how much? 60°. It is correct. Angle ABC is 30°, is also absolutely correct. So I hope this construction was clear to everyone, because we can easily make 60° angle and 30° angle. So it was good to try using compass and scale. I think in NCERT they are going through protractor only, but we know how to do, so we can do like this also. Now let's see question number 2. Sir, are you using Airtel speed test by Ookla? Okay. 1 second. Let's see question number 2. They are saying construct triangle PQR if, so we have a triangle PQR. This is the rough diagram. Rough diagram is very important for you. Before starting the question or before starting the construction, always make a rough diagram. So let's see. PQ is given to you as 5 centimeter. Okay. Angle PQR is given to you. PQR is given to you as 105°. Then they are saying angle QRP is 40°. And they are saying make this triangle. We have studied this criteria that we are following is should be angle side angle, but given to us is right now, sir, when will we draw rough diagram in the working column in a program? No, it is you can draw in the working column also, no issue. So class, tell me, we have angle and side, but these questions are based on angle side angle. Can we find this angle? Please tell. Can we find this angle? Yes. What is the value of this angle, class? How will you find? You know angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180°. That is angle sum property of a triangle. Sir, is chapter 9 coming? No, Ryan. Again, I'm telling you have to follow the same syllabus of PT2 as it is mentioned in the website. From that syllabus, I have deleted two exercises, 10.4 and 10.5. That's it. Okay. So let's put the values. Angle P is unknown. Angle Q we know is 105. Angle R is 40 is equal to 180°. Now further you will get 180 minus 105 minus 40. And solving this you will get 180 minus 145. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it means the thing that we are doing now will not come in this exam. Yes, is Bani. But we have to complete this also, because I think when school will open, it will be, I think, 3rd of the Feb when your exams are over. So the time is very less for us for the last chapter. 10.4 and 5 will not come. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now see, class, tell me one thing. Can you draw this angle 35°? Is it possible using compass? Can we draw, or we have to go for protractor for this case also? Because we have seen it should be a multiple of 7.5. If you can draw 70° angle, you can draw this also. But I think drawing 70° angle is not that easy with compass and scale with the normal construction that we do. So we will go for protractor also in this thing. Okay. You can make this angle 105 using compass, and this angle 35° you can go for using protractor. So let's see how. The angles which you think or which you have found that are not possible using compass and scale by the normal construction, you can leave them. So your base is 5 centimeter like this. We can bisect 90 and 120. But that will give you how much? 90 and 120, this is 210. 210.2 will give you 105. Not 35 or 70. 90 and 120 will give you a different thing. So please clear the thing. If it is our choice, we have to draw with compass or protractor in the exam of maths. Bani, the thing is, if you know how to build an angle using compass, it is always preferable that you will go for compass and scale. That shows that you have that extra knowledge. In case the angle is difficult, you can go for protractor also, no problem. Now, but the first preference should be using compass. Now, we have got, so could you please explain how to make 110 angle? Not required, Mokshita. In examination, directly make the angle 110 using protractor. Okay? No need to draw from compass. Directly make it. So we have PQ equal to 5 centimeter. We have PQ is equal to 5 centimeter that we have done. This is 5 centimeter. Then they are saying angle Q is 105. We all know how to draw angle 105 class. Same procedure for 105. We have to bisect two angles, 90 and 120. So let's see. At Q, I am trying to make an angle of 105 degree. So first I will draw 60 degree. Then I will draw 120 degree. This arc is not complete. Then I will draw 120 degree. Then we will try to find the 90 degree angle. Like this. So we have obtained 90 and 120. Let us put it here. Okay. So this is the 90 degree angle, but this is not required. We want the angle 105 degree. So for that, we have to bisect this angle, that is 120 degree, and this angle, that is 90 degree. So how do we know that an angle can be drawn by compass and scale? Kritika, right now, the question that you are doing, in which maximum questions, some only angles are not visible for you. You can note it down somewhere. Those angles you will not draw using compass. Okay. Actually, I gave you the formula. If you can add two angles and divide by 2 to get that angle, you can obtain or you can conclude that that angle is possible using compass. Okay. So, as we all know, in this case also, how I came to know about 105 is this thing. I knew that if I draw 90 degree plus 120 degree and I divide that by 2, I will get the answer as 105 degree. That is why, Kritika, I came to know that we can do it by compass. For the case of 110 degree, this way was not possible. That is why I told you to go for protractor in this thing. Okay, Kritika, if the angles that you are going with are easy to be made with compass, we will go for that. Yes, I will stick to the book only for your case. NCERT only will be considered for this chapter, don't worry. So you can practice these questions, that is enough. Now, let's draw this complete 105 degree. So we know we have to bisect 120 degree angle. So we will get an arc over here. And we have to use this also, 90 degree. The point there where they meet will give you your angle 105 degree. So this is your 105 degree angle. This is your 105 degree angle. Let's check, is it correct? Class, please tell me, is it correct? 105? No, beta. If I have taught you how to make 105 degree using compass, then you should go for this method only. Okay. Whatever you have learned, try to apply that thing in examination also. Okay. So 105 is done. For the next angle, that is 35 degree, I will use the protractor. So 35 will come somewhere here. Let me use the pencil. 35 will come somewhere. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, and this is your 35, somewhere here. So let me remove this. Let me take this. And this is the thing. And we have obtained our desired triangle PQR. So I hope this is clear to you. But this is given exercise 10.4, which is not coming in exam. So the angle will not come in exam. Yes. Please repeat once more. Kritika, what? Which step you want me to repeat? Please tell. This angle 105 degree or what? Okay. 1 second. I'm repeating on this one note. It will be easy for me to do. To make an angle of 105 degree, what we do is we try to make two angles, 90 and 120. Suppose this is the line PQ. This is the point. We will draw the arc like this, 60 degree, 120 degree. Okay. Bani, okay, after I will repeat. Don't worry. So Kritika, you have taken two arcs of 60 and 120. Now you require one more angle, that is 90 degree. For that, you all know, you keep compass on this point, you take an arc, keep compass on this point, take an arc, and find the angle of 90 degree. Now, Kritika, this point is showing the angle 90 degree, and this point is showing the angle 120 degree. You need to bisect these two to obtain the angle 105 degree. Till this point, is it clear to you how we are proceeding? Please confirm, Kritika. Okay. Now, keeping the compass on this point 120 degree, I will take a arc. Keeping the compass on this point 90 degree, I will take another arc, and then I will join like this, and this will be your 105 degree angle. This is the concept. That's it. Okay. Please confirm. Okay. Similarly, class, if I ask, can you draw the angle 135 degree using this angle bisector method? Can you draw this angle 135 degree? Yes, Bunny, just last, after this, Pakka. Please tell me, class, can we draw this angle 135 degree using the compass and the bisector method, where we bisect two angles? Please tell. Can you get angle 135 degree? You can get. Let me show you how. What is double of 135? Please tell. Class, what is double of 135 degree? What is twice of 135? Please tell. It is 270 degree. Now, please see. If I make 90 degree and 180 degree upon 2, will we get the same thing back or not? Please tell. If I have 90 degree angle and if I have 180 degree angle, if I add, I will get 270 degree. Upon 2 will give me 135 degree. Because this is confirmed by the formula, we can do this practically also. How? Very simple. Suppose you have a straight line. This is your point O. You want to make an angle of 135 degree. What will you do? You will make an arc like this. Then you will again go for 60, 120 and 90. Sorry, like this. Suppose this is showing your 90 degree angle. Please tell me, if this is 0 degree, what this point is showing you. Please tell me. If this was the starting point 0 degree, what this is showing? This is showing 180 degree. So this is 180 degree, this is 90 degree, their sum is 270, and if I bisect these two, I will get the angle which is known as 135 degree. So this angle is 135 degree. That's it. This concept is like this only. All these numbers are multiple of 7.5 degree. Okay. So let's see. the last step now, which Bani is saying. Okay, Bani, please ask, what the last step? I think in the last step only we have used this protector to draw the angle of 35 degree, and then we have joined with the previous lines. Bani, you don't have to learn, you just have to understand. Okay, when the time comes, you just need to check to why they have done it like this. At this point, you will come to know that this is the concept to understand. Okay, you don't need to learn all these things. You just need to understand that what we are doing is we are adding two angles, and if the sum is coming that much, we divide by 2, we can get the answer by compass also. Now, question number 3. Please, class, help me in this one also. Examine whether you can construct triangle DEF in which EF is 7.2, angle E is 110, and angle F is 80 degree. Is it possible to construct a triangle in which the side measurement is 7.2, two angles are given to you as 110 and 80 degree? If not possible, tell me why. Why it is not possible? One angle is 110, second angle is 80 degree, and we know 110 can be made with compass. Rishi, I told you about that Newsys construction. Yesterday we have done that Newsys construction. By that we can make 110 degree, but not by this method that I have told you. Newsys construction, okay, that is little different from this one. By this you can draw all these angles, but not right now. It is not in your course. Okay, you can leave that. Okay, now tell me this one, class, why this triangle is not possible? This is not possible because 110 degree plus 80 degree itself is 190 degree. Where is the third angle? Okay. Avneet saying, please explain the laws of connects. Okay, class. At this point, I end this exercise. Before starting the next one, let's read my answer. Okay, 1 second. Because the sum of angles and property tells that sum should be 180 degree. Yes, Bani, it is correct. Because the sum is more than 180 degree, that's why it is not possible to have this thing. Aaron, just 1 minute before unmuting anyone, I will clear the doubt of Evneet. Let me stop the recording.